All right, so here's my second example about finding the interquartile range of a given dataset. The difference of this from the previous video is this simply the number of n. Okay, so in my previous video, the number of n is 9. Here we have 10. The steps are going to be the same, and of course the formula is the same. So IQR is equivalent to quartile 3 minus quartile 1. Step number 1, again, is the same. We need to arrange the data set in increasing order or ascending order. So we have 4 to 21 here. And then step number 2 is we will divide this into two data sets. So we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 11 for the first half, and then 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 to the second half. Now this is going to be a lot easier because if we consider the first half, okay, of course, the third is to identify the Q1 and Q2, right? That's the third step. But here, there's no computation involved because Q1, if we want to identify that, we just need to look at the middle value of the first half, and that's 8. So that's Q1. And then, of course, we need to find the middle value of the second half, and that's going to give us Q3. Okay, so Q3 is 17. All we need to do is to divide those two. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9, and that's the IQR of this data set.